Hello everyone. In this video, we have discussed the concept of businesses thoughts with real life examples. Business thoughts refer to wrongful acts or omissions that cause harm to a business or its reputation. These thoughts can take many different forms, including international interference with business relationship, defamation, fraud, and unfair competition. Here are some real life examples of business thoughts. International interference with business relationship. This thought occurs when a third party intentionally interferes with an existing business relationship, causing harm to the business. For example, if a competitor convinces a supplier to stop doing business with a company, that could be considered international interference. Another example could be a former employee stealing trade sectors and using them to harm the company's relationship with client. Defamation. Defamation occurs when someone makes false statement about a business that harms its reputation. For example, if a competitor spread false rumors about a business product, services, or financial condition, these could be considered defamation. Similarly, if a former employee makes false statement about their former employer, this could be considered defamation. Fraud. Fraud occurs when a person intentionally misrepresent a fact or conceals information causing harm to a business. For example, if a vendor provides false financial statement to a company in order to obtain a contract, this could be considered fraud. Another example could be a company selling a product that is known is defective without disclosing the defect to customers. Unfair competition. Unfair competition occurs when a business engages in deceptive or unethical practices that harms its competitors. For example, if a business spread false rumors about a competitor product or services, this could be considered unfair competition. Similarly, if a business engage in price fixing or other anti-competitive practices, this could be considered unfair competition. Overall, business thought can have serious consequences for companies and their stakeholders. It is important for businesses to be aware of their thought and take steps to prevent them, including implementing policies and procedure to detect and address potential violations. If a business has been harmed by a thought, it may be able to pursue legal action to recover damage and protect its reputation. Thank you.